Hi guys, what's up? My name is Zia and once again welcome back to my another vlog. I just got up and I washed my face and I brushed my teeth. Now the time is around 3 o'clock afternoon. It's raining heavily outside. Since yesterday night it's raining, so today in this vlog I'm gonna show you how we go for work in rainy season, because in Goa rainy season means it's very bad, like continuous 3-4 months it rains. Now it is started from June and it will rain till October. In Goa rainy season means it's boring, nothing is there to see because everything is closed, and it's dangerous also to go near beaches, and also they close, government close everything at this time. I'm drinking my coffee and I need to cook before going for work. I need to eat something, so let's see what is available in my kitchen. I'll make. It's very boring day, but what to do, need to go for work. So today my shift is 6 to 3. My coach will come to pick us at 5 o'clock, and now already time is 3 o'clock, so I have 2 hours left. I need to get ready. So well guys, I'll catch you after some time. Hey guys, I had bath, so I'm going to make pasta, macaroni I have, which is only available in my kitchen at this time. We finished our groceries, so we need to go for groceries very soon. I'm going to make this pasta for now. So time is already 3:30, so I need to do fast, otherwise I'll be late. I'll check what is available in my fridge. Okay, my fridge is all empty. You can see nothing is there. So look at my fridge situation, guys. All finished, nothing is there. Apple is there, but I'm not going to eat. So all empty. Onions is available. Oh, okay, fine. Thank God onions are there. This is my fridge situation. Nothing is there. So see, we are all broke. Okay, so guys, my pasta is ready. I made it in a simple way, quick and easy, because I don't have time. Guys, I'm having my food now. It's tasty, not so bad.
Now makeup time, so I'm doing my makeup. I always apply sunscreen before makeup because sunscreen is very important, and as I told you before, makeup is very important in hospitality industry, so we have to be presentable. So makeup is very important in our work. Okay, so I'm little late, so I'm going to catch my coach. I have to run now.
Guys, I'm in coach right now, so we are heading towards casino. guys, I'm in cafeteria, so this is my break time. We get break of 30 minutes. So this is the place where we sit and we eat and we chit chat, we take rest. So I need to report again. My break time is over, so we'll catch you after some time. Hey guys, this is my second last break, so one more break is left. So now the time is 10:49 and I need to report at 11, and after that I will get break after 1.5 hours. My shift gets over at 2:30 or 3 o'clock. It depends upon crowd. Now I need to report on the floor, so we'll see you. I don't have umbrella. Why they are working? Just now rain stopped. Now the time is 3 o'clock in the morning and this is my coach. I'm going to get in. I bought samosa because I'm starving. Well, I'm in coach now, 3 o'clock in the morning, so we are going home now.
Well guys, I reached room and after work I always drink green tea. This is organic India. This is my favorite green tea. It gives me relaxation.
Hey guys, I'm home now and you have seen it's raining outside heavily. It stopped for some time. Now again it started. So whole day, whole night it rains in Goa in rainy season. In Goa, monsoon is like this only. Monsoon is very boring in Goa, and this is how we go for work in rainy season. Sometimes it's kind of scary in feeder because that water level is very high, but it's okay, we are used to with it. In normal day also we go like this only, and in rainy day also we go like this only because we work in shifts. So obviously I'm exhausted. Now the time is 4:30 in the morning. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And guys, if you like this video, then please give thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.